Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you're enjoying your holiday. Steve Burnett here from Cut That Cable Bill. Once again, that's cutthatcablebill.com, and I know why you are here. Not only are you enjoying your holidays, but you are looking for the best IPTV service for Christmas, the New Year's, to replace Xtream Codes, Gears TV, Gears Reloaded, Set TV, Vader, and Nitro. And we have the best one on the market here at Dexter IPTV. Not only are we going to save you over 90% of your cable bill, we're going to give you the best HBO, the best Cinemax, the best Showtime, the best Stars, all of your pay-per-view events, NBA League, and NFL Network. Woo! Now, here's something special we have just for Christmas. If you send a text 90210 to the number that you see here, two amazing things are going to happen to you. First of all, what's going to happen is a live person is going to get in contact with you in minutes to answer any questions you have. But just for Christmas and the New Year's, even if you decide not to use our beautiful IPTV service, we're going to give to you absolutely free a movie app with 5,000 movies for free for life. Woo! Now, there's an old saying, documentation beats conversation, so we really want you to see exactly what the service looks like. So there's a quick little 2-minute video so you see what the service looks like. Once again, send that code 90210 to the number you see here. Once again, Steve Burnett from Cut That Cable Bill. Everyone enjoy your holidays and be safe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.